Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a very delicious recipe for Pommecythere Talkari. It's also known as June plum, and you can also make this with mango. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to start our recipe, you'll need some methi or fenugreek seeds, amchar masala, ground geera, sugar, garlic and aromatics, which are peppers and onions. So what you want to start by doing first is putting up your pommecythere or your mango in a pot with water and salt and allow it to come up to a simmer. You're going to bring this up to a simmer and let it continue to cook until it's nice, soft and tender, and you'll notice the skin will start to fall apart from the flesh of the fruit itself. So once it's nice and tender, you're going to go ahead and drain it and set it aside. In a pot, we're going to go in with oil on medium heat, and to that oil we're going to go in with our fenugreek or methi seeds. Allow them to toast until they're dark brown in color, after which we'll go in with our chopped onions, peppers and pimento peppers. Saute until the onions are tender and light brown in color, and then you'll go in with your minced garlic and saute the garlic until that's light brown in color. I don't ever add the garlic with the onion because the garlic tends to burn faster and the onion doesn't have a chance to brown. Next, go in with your cooked pommecythere or mango, salt to taste. In goes brown sugar, which is totally optional, some geera powder, amchar masala powder and green seasoning. Now you're going to mix everything to combine. Mix it really well. You want all of those spices to coat the fruit, and this is what it should look like. Now at this point, if you wanted it really saucy, add some water and let it continue to cook until it thickens into a nice sauce, but this is the way that I'm serving it. So all I have to do is taste and adjust my salt, and then this will be ready. After you add in your spices, you just let it cook out for like about 5 to 10 minutes, and once you've done that and it looks really vibrant, if it's not dark in color, add some more geera and some more amchar masala. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please remember to comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today in the kitchen. Continue to stay safe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.